What is up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how to clean an air filter, so stay tuned. Alright, so what is up and welcome back. So after this week's quick ride after work, I decided to quickly just give the KTM a quick wash, but the air filter is filthy and I want to clean it before this weekend's ride at Mama Rock. So I'm going to put you guys on the tripod and then we're going to jump into it. Well, before we jump into it, I'm going to show you guys what I need, or what any person in general would need to clean your air filter. So once again, we've got a degreaser over here. So of course there's purpose made air filter cleaner, but it's fairly expensive. Degreaser is cheap, you can buy it anyway, so I just go with that. Some people even use gasoline or petrol. So I've got this, and I've got a little diluted mix in here with some warm water. Then I've got a little concentrated mix here in the squirter and a side cutter. Why a side cutter, you ask? Because my bike is the old zip tie special. So without any further ado, I'm gonna pop you guys on the tripod and we're gonna pull out the air filter. So now we've got the air filter out, and as you can see, this thing is filthy. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab the concentrated degreaser and just hit it with that. Come on. Just squirt it and kind of soak it, let it sink in so it can start breaking down the air filter oil and all the dirt and grease that's in there. So now that it's soaked, I'm going to take the inner housing off, or whatever you call it, and then I'm going to use the housing to rest the air filter on in the water, because otherwise as the dirt sinks down into the bottom of the bucket, the air filter is going to sit in the dirt. So you want something to lift it up off all the sediment and the dirt that's going to sink to the bottom of the bucket. So it's as simple as that. So we're gonna leave it there to soak for about an hour or so, and we'll pull it out, rinse it off, and then if it's not clean enough yet, we'll just repeat the process. So super simple. It's an essential part of bike maintenance, and yeah, it's a bit time consuming, but it's something you gotta do. So the next time I see you guys will be when the filter is clean. Alright, so we're back again. So after letting the air filter sit for a while, I'm gonna pull it out and we'll see what it looks like. Now when you pull it out of the water, you just want to squeeze the water out. You don't want to wring it and twist it sideways. You just take it and squeeze it out. And then we're going to rinse it with some fresh water. Okay, so this is the stage we are at the moment. As you can see, all the dirt is pretty much gone, and now the filter is a bit discolored, but that's just because it's a little bit older. So what we're going to do now is we are going to rinse it out with clean water, and then we're going to leave it to dry. And I think that'll be it for this section for now, because we're going to leave it overnight to dry. So tomorrow I'll show you guys how to put on the air filter oil, clean out the airbox, and then that'll be it for the video. So see you guys tomorrow. Alright, so it is the next day and we have got the air filter nice and clean. Well, there's a little bit of discoloration, but that's just because I've tried a couple of different methods of cleaning over the time. So the next step is to hit it with some air filter oil, and ideally you would want to use gloves like latex or whatever, rubber gloves. But if you don't have gloves, what I found works well is a plastic bag. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna spray the filter with the oil, stick it in the plastic bag, and then just kind of massage the filter to get the oil in. And then what we're also gonna do, we're gonna hit a rag with some degreaser and clean up the inside of the airbox. So let's jump into it. Alright, so as you can see, that is an oiled air filter. So another thing you want to do, because there's no real seal around the rim of the air filter, it's kind of an old school thing to do. But what you do, you take a bit of grease and you just put it on the, oh man, I'm really doing a bad job with my left hand, but you kind of put it around the rim of the filter, and that just helps it seal a little bit. You don't need to put a lot there, just a little bit. And when that's done, we can stick it back in the bike. And that's it. So ideally you'd want to aerate the filter after you spray it with the oil, so that some of the excess fumes can kind of kind of evaporate. But the bike's going to sit overnight before we start riding, so it'll be fine inside the airbox. And you know, that's it, as simple as that. So in the next video we are going to jump in some more KDX stuff. We have to get the motor out of the frame. It's time to start moving on with that project and start finalizing some stuff. But that's it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed it, remember to hit the like button and hit subscribe if you want to, and also check out Mud and Dust Media on Facebook. We're going to start making some big moves. I'm working on a website and that should be live pretty soon, maybe in the next month or two. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I look forward to getting some new riding footage for you guys this weekend, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So stay tuned for that as well. Peace out.